Oh shit! Fuck, dude!
Laser alert.
Motherfucker. Oh, man. Oh. Shit. Oh, that, the other dude. Never higher than 10. But, yeah. The highest base I've seen with Uber Eats is 18. Seen it a few times too. Seen one from Taco Bell, one from McDonald's. That's the Maven. All right. The Maven. Oh shit! Fuck, dude!
Laser alert.
Motherfucker. Oh, man. Oh. Shit. Oh, that, the other dude. So, yeah, man. This video clip was from last night while dropping up an Uber Eats order. I think I had green for like 10 seconds. And the other driver going from the other street coming down, yeah, he's been red for like 1 minute, you know. So I was going on green, and thank God my windows were down, you know. So I was able to hear the other car coming. So if I roll up all my windows, I probably would have been T-boned at 40 miles per hour. Anywhere from 30 to 40. Yeah, the guy was speeding really fast down that street, man. It looks like a Kia K5 or a Kia Optima from what I can see. I didn't catch the license plate or anything, but you know, thank God nothing bad happened last night, man. That would have been really, really bad. So yeah, just in case you're new to the channel, yeah, I've been doing delivery for like 22 years. I first started 22 years ago with W2 delivery, and I first started doing gig work with UberX in 2013, which is like 10 years ago. And ever since I started driving UberX, I've seen a lot of crazy drivers on the road, especially late night. And Tuesday night is when you get the hardcore alcoholics driving drunk. Friday and Saturday is bad too, but Tuesday night is one of the worst, believe it or not. And big holidays, man. Thanksgiving, New Year's Eve, July 4th, yeah. One time while driving Uber, or not dropping off an Uber, but you know, on our way to pick up an Uber packs, I've seen somebody driving on the wrong side of the highway twice. Yeah, I think both of those times I was Ubering. Yeah. Driving on the wrong way of the highway twice. I've seen that. I've seen people driving down the wrong way on you know, small street many times in downtown Denver. So besides all the, you know, getting shot at or getting robbed, there's another variable that you gotta worry about. Crazy drivers, you know, people texting and driving, not paying attention, people stealing cars and going for a joyride or whatever. Yeah, man. But you know, stuff like this not gonna discourage me. But you know, as a driver, you just you just do whatever you can, you know. So yeah, thank God my windows were down. I was able to hear the other car coming. Yeah, things would have been different if I had the windows up and I couldn't hear anything. And I would drop the link in the video description and in the comments on where to buy the Ventrue N4. I highly recommend it for any, especially Lyft and UberX driver, but DoorDash and any gig drivers, you probably need a dash cam too, just in case you get hit by a drunk driver and they run away, you know. Yeah, just in case. Case in point in that video there last night. And I've seen a lot of crazy driving, but none of it is like Well, at least I don't think it's worth it to be for YouTube material, you know. Yeah, I've seen a lot of close call, but yeah, last night was a big close call, man. That was crazy. Yeah, if you watch my previous videos, I think I've been rear-ended while driving Uber X twice. The most recent one was I think in Dayton, Ohio, 2020 or something. Yeah, I was driving Uber Pax and got rear-ended. It was like a low speed, probably like 20 miles or something. I got rear-ended again like a year or two ago. Yeah, there's a lot of bad drivers out there, and I highly recommend getting an uninsured motorist policy. Yeah, you gotta add on uninsured motorists. There's a lot of reckless people out there that drive without insurance and all that, you know. So yeah, man, hear me out. Make sure to add uninsured motorists to your policy. So besides catching all these drunk drivers, crazy drivers, as an Uber X or Lyft driver, you can also record, you know, crazy passenger, you know, passenger who try to scam you, you know, cancel a ride in the middle, cancel an Uber ride in the middle of a ride or whatever, or you know, crazy Uber packs who try to attack you or whatever. Yeah, so the dash cam is very useful. Besides catching crazy drivers, it can also catch crazy scamming Uber packs customer or Lyft customers. And for DoorDash and Uber Eats drop off, you can also have those on video if they come to your car and get it. Oh, and also, yeah, 3 years ago, I also caught a crazy incident at Taco Bell in Dayton, Ohio, about 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, a Taco Bell employee almost threw some water at me in the drive-thru. Yeah, I posted that like 2 years ago on my YouTube channel as well. All right, guys, thank you for watching all the way to the end. Once again, I will drop the link in the video description and in the pinned comments on where to buy the Vantrue N4 camera, and also my other affiliate links. You can check them out in the channel description or also in the video description. Webull, Solo, extra slim wallet, and so on. Yeah, and also my merch is also in the channel description or in the video description. And one more look at this video in 0.25 speed, 0.25 speed, or you can watch it on YouTube 0.25 speed. So the last clip of the video will be at 0.25 speed. Once again, thank you everybody for watching this video to the end. And I've also started a channel membership. Channel members get early access to some videos and exclusive access to some replay of the live stream. Thank you for watching it, everybody. Be safe out there. See you guys on the next one. Peace.